Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your RedotPay account. So first of all, when you launch your RedotPay application for the very first time, you will be shown the option of either sign up or login. So you just have to simply tap on the option of login. Then you need to provide your email address which you have basically used in order to register on your RedotPay account. Now, if you haven't done that, make sure that you use the link that is given in the description in order to get $5 absolutely for free as a sign up bonus. Afterwards, you need to verify your email address. So an OTP is going to be sent on your email address. You need to put that and hit next. On the next page, you just have to simply create a strong password for your account, and then this way you will be able to basically redirect it inside your account's dashboard where you are going to see this type of interface in front of you. So that's how you can log in into your RedotPay account easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.